YouTube, what's up? Welcome to another episode of What's Cooking with myself, Kenny, and my wife, Katie. We're gonna be cooking up a storm today, but you know what? This is a surprise. This episode, we are gonna be doing, guess what we're gonna be doing? An authentic Jamaican dinner. Well, we eat it for lunch, we eat it for breakfast, but you know, I go back to my days when we used to run board with my brethren them, and guess what it's going to look like? Ready feet? Ready feet? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. See that, ladies and gentlemen, tin mackerel, yam, and yam, and banana, and pumpkin, and you know me seasoning, but we're going to cook up that spicy. To put some sweet pepper in it and put some, you know, cut it up nicely, and you're gonna see the finished product when we're done. Yeah, man, stay tuned for that. And remember that, keep it locked. So come back, all right? So come back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Welcome back. You see me have 2 banana peel already. We're gonna show you how to peel banana. You see me? So what we did do is, you know, I always get the oil. You can use olive oil. You can use coconut oil, any oil, and rub up your hand in the oil, yeah? As I'm saying, you're trying to eliminate the stain. Take up a banana, pick the top, and cut the bottom, and then you do this, the banana, with a knife sideways, get your finger in there, yeah? And then you peel off the banana skin when you're stubborn, yeah? But you know, some people have a problem when they're peeling the banana. You know, some people don't like peel banana. When I was younger, I didn't like to peel banana at all when I was younger. You know, you get, oh, you know, but as you go, you know, you had to, because mommy put you and say you must peel banana and show you. Or, you know, I'm a watch. You say, alright, that's a banana peel. And from then, you know, the banana them, you know, they're not so attractive how me I peel them right now. But may I show you how we peel the banana. Keep the top, keep the bottom, like this, and then you do like this. Find a place in it, use a knife and go through like that. Yeah, and then you put your finger in and start peeling off banana skin. See? So easy. So easy. This is how you peel, oh, the one that broke off, but that is how you peel banana, alright? And as you know, I'm not cooking for myself alone, I'm also cooking my wife. You know, my daughter don't really eat these things, you know, me my wife, you know, we can't eat not yet, you know, she's not kind of a baby, but yeah, getting my banana peel right there. Wash it off. I like to wash off my banana. I like to wash my food. I have a habit of washing my food. Take the top, as I said. Cut the top. Cut the bottom. Get the knife. And do like this. With the knife. Take your finger. Start to peel off your banana. Alright? So now you know how to peel banana. Soon come back here. We're back with my yam. Piece of yam, cut off piece of it. Alright. Use the cutting board and peel off the skin of my yam. I'm gonna peel it very, you know, using the thing here. Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I've started bad. But let me take something from right here. Put my bananas in until the pot is ready and hot. And so the banana them over there, so what I'm doing, I'm cutting up the yam. Yeah, see? I hold the knife properly. Yeah. 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 Yes? Same thing with the yam, it has stain and slime, so I'm gonna be cutting it in half first. I'm going to cut in other pieces like that, yeah. Get them in smaller sizes. You know, this is not a big dinner. That's a nice little dinner. For the two of us, for the two of us. Yeah, if you want to cut it much smaller, I can do that too. I can cut it in a smaller slices too for pot use. Yes, so my yam and my banana is practically ready now to go in the pot. You know, so this is my yam. Cutting up my yam. Banana is over there. I'm going to wash them again. And then I'm going to be seeing when I'm putting them. You're going to see when I put them in the pot, I want to look in the pot. You know, so that my yam cut up. I'm a banana. I'm going to cook pumpkin too. I'm going to cut up my pumpkin too and put. So here I have a pumpkin. Not going to cook. I have a big pumpkin. I'm going to cut off a piece of it. And I'm going to be using some part, all of this. I cut off a piece just to use. I cut my pumpkin in 3 pieces. Yeah. And I'm going to be using, so we cook the pumpkin. We cook the pumpkin with the skin on. So I'm cooking the pumpkin with the skin on. Yeah, let me wash them over here. Wash them again. I keep washing my food. Yeah, put them in. So these are ready to be cooked. You know, let me wash my banana them again. You know, let me get black and stain on them. You know, let me wash them off. Wash off my bananas. You know, get them ready for the pot. Yeah, I think they are ready soon. Yeah, they are ready. Go in the pot. So I have my banana over there, and I have my pumpkin there. So here I have my banana. Then kind of, you know, have the stain, you know. So I have a banana right here, so cut up. And I have my pumpkin and yam cut up over here. So yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put them in the pot soon. Pot is hot, it's getting hot. You put them in. You know, so what I'm doing first, I'm boiling the yam and the banana first because the pumpkin is a little bit softer. So you boil these out, and at a certain point, then you put the pumpkin because the pumpkin cook quicker. Alright? So these are just little tutorials that I, you know, kind of figure out as I go. So stay tuned. So put them in the pot. You know, they're gonna see me prepare my mackerel, you know, spicy mackerel, gonna be spicy. You know, my country pepper and my tomato and my onion. Sweet pepper, and cut it up and dice it up nice, and you know, just to get a little make it look rich with colorful and stuff. Alright, putting the thing already. Come back to put my things in already. Kinda hold up my face, you know, but I'm gonna be putting in the bananas are in already, the steam coming from the pot. You have to wait till the pot hot. Then I'm gonna be putting in my yams, right, one by one, yeah. You start putting in the things already, you know. Cooking like that, you know. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Wow, nice. Yeah. So putting them, make them boil for a while, and then, you know, get ready for that. Yeah. Let it boil down for a little while. Yeah, let me fix this. Let it boil for about you know, fix it 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, then I will put the pumpkin in, you know, because the pumpkin is a bit softer. And I say that it's boil over like 10 minutes, and I add my pumpkin later. But later you're going to say the star ingredient, which is the spicy mackerel. And why you call it spicy mackerel? I'm going to make it spicy. Some good Scotch bonnet pepper and some onion and some sweet pepper, some tomato. So ladies and gentlemen, I am ready to put in my seasoning. Here's my seasoning. I'm gonna be pouring in my seasoning. Wow, this is very hot here. It's cracking. The pot is very hot. Yes, sir. Yeah. The colors. Fry up this. Fry up this for a while. Yeah. Yes, sir. The steam coming off it. Well hot. I'll let this fry up. You don't want this to get a bit, you don't want this to get soft. You know. So you're seeing it. So yes, yeah. You make this fry up for a little while. You know. Yeah. Looking nice. Looking nice. The scotch bonnet pepper in it. Some people just put the whole of scotch bonnet pepper on this. No, I cut it up. I cut piece off and put it on this. Yeah. Keep stirring for it to get soft. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm now adding the mackerel in. Yes, sir. Yeah. You stir that in, yeah. Get that stirred in. Get the seasonings stirred in, yeah. So you have the mackerel gravy on it, in it, and everything. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's looking good. Make that go on, you know. Put down in it, the scotch bonnet and everything in it. Really coming together, make everything come together. And I add a little tip of black pepper seasoning. Alright, little tip, mister. That's what I said, right? Little tip. And I stir again. Wow, this is, man, I remember the days when my mom, and this was the only thing we had. Tin mackerel, you know, it was so cheap in Jamaica. Yeah, there you have it. In mackerel, yeah, I've added, and also that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, see there, cook down, nice. All right, you can prepare this anytime. Quick food. If you don't want to go into any big cooking, you can just cook down this quick, simple, spicy thing. All right. Soon to come back. We soon come back again. Show you the finished product. Ladies and gentlemen, my yam and my yam, banana and pumpkin is boiling, you know, preparing, boiling down. Yes, see here. Then over here I have my mackerel cooked down, ready, colorful and spicy over there, spicy mackerel. And this next step you're gonna see is when it is plated. All right, so soon come back when this done boil over. All right, give it about 10 more minutes to boil, and 10 to 15 minutes, and this will be finished. All right, ladies and gentlemen, banana, yam and pumpkin with spicy mackerel. Yes, spicy mackerel. With on the side we have some peach juice on the side. All right, take it in, tell me what you think. Leave your comments. Please leave your comments, and remember to always subscribe, share, like this thing. Tell me what you think about it, man. Wow. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, another episode. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, hope you like what you saw. Remember to like, subscribe, share this video, and leave comments, and share with the world what you think about this. And the more you like this thing, the more we get promoted, and the more we promote our program, our channel, the more subscribers we get, right? So remember, pass this on to your friend, and trust me, support the thing. Thank you for all those who are supported so far, and I give thanks to you all. Keep supporting us, and remember, if you want to see us cook something, just share in the comment, and we will gladly take on the offer, gladly take on the challenge, and cook that for you. All right, remember, so next time, see you in the kitchen at What's Cooking with your host Kenton and Kenny and Katie, and we always want to bring bangers to you. All right, see you until next time. Peace. We're out.